If you've never bought cryptocurrency before and the word blockchain sounds complicated, this video is for you. I'll walk you step by step through how to invest in YachtFi, from zero experience to owning your first yacht tokens. By the end of this video, you will know how to buy a basic cryptocurrency, a stablecoin like USDT. You will also learn to create and secure your own crypto wallet and connect it to YachtFi.io. Furthermore, you will be able to purchase yacht tokens and understand how your charter income is paid out. Let's start with the basics. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency that lives on a blockchain. You store it in a digital wallet, and you can send it anywhere in the world, 24/7. For YachtFi, we focus on stablecoins, for example, USDT. A stablecoin is a cryptocurrency that is pegged to the US dollar. 1 USDT is approximately 1 USD. That means you're not exposed to the wild price swings of Bitcoin or other coins when you simply want to invest in a real asset like a yacht. Welcome to part 2 of our guide on how to invest in YachtFi, focusing on setting up your crypto exchange account and personal wallet. First, you need a reliable platform to convert your traditional currency, like euros or dollars, into USDT. Major crypto exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase are excellent choices, known for their user-friendly interfaces and global availability. Binance, for example, is the world's leading exchange, serving over 298 million users across more than 180 countries. The sign-up process is straightforward, much like opening an online banking account. You'll start by signing up with your email and creating a secure password. Next, you'll complete a Know Your Customer, or KYC, verification by uploading a valid ID, which typically takes few minutes up to 1 day for approval. Finally, link a payment method, such as a bank transfer or a credit or debit card, to fund your account. Once approved, search for USDT, also known as Tether, a stablecoin pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar. Choose the amount you wish to buy, keeping in mind that many platforms have a minimum purchase of around $100. Confirm your purchase, and congratulations, you now own USDT, the essential fuel for investing in YachtFi. Now, let's move to step 2, setting up your own personal crypto wallet. This is like having a digital bank account that you fully control, offering true ownership of your assets. MetaMask is a highly popular choice, functioning as both a browser extension and a mobile app, supporting Ethereum and over 100 other blockchains. To install, visit the official MetaMask website or your device's app store. Follow the simple setup steps to create your new wallet. During this process, you will be given a secret recovery phrase, typically 12 or 24 words. This phrase is critically important as it grants full access to your funds. You must write it down on paper and store it securely offline. Never store it only on your computer or phone, and never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone. Whoever possesses these words can control your funds. Remember, YachtFi will never ask you for your seed phrase. MetaMask also offers features like direct crypto purchases, token swaps, and connections to various decentralized applications. By following these steps, you'll be well-equipped to securely manage your crypto assets and begin your YachtFi investment journey. Welcome back to our guide on how to invest in YachtFi, where we'll cover transferring funds, purchasing tokens, and understanding your charter income. Step 3. Move your USDT from the exchange to your own wallet. In MetaMask, copy your wallet address. It's a long string starting with 0x. Go back to your exchange, open the Withdraw/Send section, choose USDT, paste your wallet address, and select the network supported by YachtFi, such as Ethereum. Double-check the address and network, confirm the transaction, and wait a few minutes. Soon, your USDT will appear in your wallet. Now you are in full control. Step 4. Now we go to YachtFi.io. On the website, click Connect Wallet and choose MetaMask or another wallet you use. Your wallet will show a pop-up. Click Sign to confirm the connection. Once you're connected, you will see an interface where you can enter the amount of USDT you want to invest. For example, If each token is 1 USDT and you invest 500 USDT, you'll receive 500 Yacht tokens. Click Buy or Invest, confirm the transaction in your wallet, and wait for the blockchain to process it. After a short moment, your new Yacht tokens will appear in your wallet and on the YachtFi dashboard. What happens next? During the charter season, the yacht generates rental income. This income is converted to USDT and periodically distributed to all token holders using a smart contract, automatically and proportionally to how many tokens you hold. Over the longer term, when the investment cycle ends and the yacht is sold, you also receive your share of the sale proceeds back in USDT, and the tokens are bought back and burned. If at any point you need help, look for the support/help/FAQ links on YachtFi.io or join our community channels where we can guide you through the process in more detail. You don't need to be a crypto expert to start. You just follow the steps and let the technology work for you. YachtFi. Own, earn, sale. Learn more at YachtFi.io.